gosh. Bro, look at that. That's insane. Look at that, how big that steam show is. It's defrosting right now, and it has a huge steam show. Could get the lenses all fogged up. I don't know. Look at that steam show.
You can't see it.
Look at that. It's insane. I can see that. I hope my GoPro's picking it up.
I can see it in real life, but I can't see it on camera.
Yeah. I think it's about to start up here in a little bit.
It's hard to see on camera.
Well, you're in the sun. I can see it right here. I can see it right here.
Maybe you can see it if we come up close.
I think it's about to start up here in a little bit.
It's hard to see on camera.
Well, you're in the sun. I can see it right here. I can see it right here. It's about to start up soon. Look at that. That's crazy. It's about to start up soon. Look at that. That's crazy. It's steaming like mad. Look at that. I did not expect this. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. And
That's really hard to capture.
it's steaming like mad.
Yeah.
Look at that. I did not expect this. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. And 2 carrier comforts running, and this one's defrosting. I think this is about to kick back on. This carrier, oh, there it goes. Oh, look at that steam.
Woo! Oh my goodness. A lot of steam.
So this one just went back in heat mode. All right, over and